Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into zkSync, access layer 2 network dashboard step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for zkSync. Press enter to navigate to the zkSync website. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Typically, this button can be found in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see options for different login methods. If you have a crypto wallet, select the option that corresponds to your wallet type. Common wallet options include MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others. After selecting your wallet, follow the prompts to connect it. For MetaMask users, you will need to open your MetaMask extension or app. Once your wallet is open, authorize the connection to zkSync. This may involve confirming a connection request in your wallet interface. If you're using Wallet Connect, scan the QR code provided on the screen. Once your wallet is connected, you will see your dashboard load. On the dashboard, you can access various features and options on zkSync. Make sure to check that your account information is correct. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section of the zkSync website. Once you're satisfied with your setup, you're ready to start exploring zkSync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.